Ya.
Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about perimeter and area. Okay? So, William, can you tell me what's area?
That's when you have the width and width and the width color.
Okay, thank you. Isabella, what is perimeter?
The total.
Do you need help? Okay. Sebastian,
Perimeter is
do you need help? Okay. Esmeralda,
perimeter is adding all sides.
so add all the sides of a perimeter, huh? Okay, so we're going to start with this one. Okay, so Maria studied the rectangle below. She determined the area to be 26 square centimeters. So Maria studied the rectangle below. She determined the area to be 26 square centimeters. So Daniel, what do I do?
The question.
Underline the question. So which statement is true, huh? Emiliano, what's next? So what is that? Area should be 26, huh? Kayla, how do I find the area? Hmm? Ariana, can you help her? Do I add them in the area? Okay, are we shouting out or are we raising our hands?
Raising on.
I still hear. Roxana, what do I do?
Multiply length
So area equals length times width. So that's it. So what's my length? Destiny, what's my width? Marvin, so what's 8 times 5? 40. Daisy, what do I do if I don't know my multiple facts, multiplication facts? Do you need help? Carlos? Alright, the table. Of 8 or 5? Because it's 8 groups of 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So, good job. So, let's get the perimeter of that one. So, Julio, can you tell me what's the formula for perimeter? L plus 2W. Okay. Kevin, so what's the length? 40. So 2 times 4. Cole, what's the width? 2 and 5. Ivan, what's 2 times 4?
8.
8. Eileen, what's 2 times 5? Eileen? 10. Armando, so now what? So what is that? Yeah, add them. So what's 8 plus 10? 8. Okay, so guys, now we're going to do rotations, okay? Listen, I didn't say to touch no paper, because then you're going to go ask me, what's it up? And the only ones that need their iPad is, that too, like circle two. Understood? Y'all need your iPad? So y'all going to do that IXL. And I'll make sure you haven't done it. So, do that please. Quality. And that's independent work. Okay? Our teacher group is going to be with me. Okay? So then we're going to start rotating. Like this table is going to do, you can practice that one. Okay? And my rectangle group is going to do, you see that? Y'all can create a playground, but you have to, give me the area and the perimeter of your playground. And y'all can do it together. Okay? And y'all can work together. Huh? No. Just put it IXL and it will get. If y'all need help, I'm still going to be over there with my group. And we're going to rotate, but I'm still going to monitor. Okay? Okay. Start doing it because like in I'm doing 10 minutes and each rotation. So let's start guys. 10 minutes. So Maxwell is planting a garden. The plot of land is using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell garden in meters? So Maxwell is planting a garden. The plot of land he is using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell garden in meters? Okay, so what's next, Ariana? Underline the question. what is the perimeter of Maxwell 190 meters? So, Stacy, what's extra? So what is it? Meters, and what else? Perimeter, okay? So what do we do when it's perimeter? We add all the sides. Okay, let's start. 5 plus 5? 10. Cross it out. 2 plus 2? 4, okay. 3 plus 3? Okay, Isabella, what's the answer? So 4 plus 6 is 10, yeah. 1 plus 1 is 2, it is 20. 20 cats. 20 cats? 20 pencils? 20 what? But who said it? I heard it. Meters, 20 meters. Okay. So, Kayla, read number 2. Devin is baking a cake. He plans to decorate the out edge of the cake with icing as shown below. What distance around the cake will Devin decorate with icing? So Devin is baking a cake. He plans to decorate the outside edge of the cake with icing as shown below. What distance around the cake
What do you need?
will Devin decorate with icing? Do it together while I check in. Okay? Do it together. Talk. No, yeah, can do your around. Do your because we're going to rotate. Come on, let me know. Because I need this to show. It doesn't matter. You need to do your paper. Yeah. Guys, power.
I have an idea. How do I do it?
Are we working together?
So I think you see half, and this is half, this is half. But this is
I want to see try to
the
see
area of ice is supposed to be.
Oh,
It's gonna be 2.25. This is the area of the tree. But we know it actually
but hey, we can go wait, not talking. That's trash paper for this going. Because remember, we're going to rotate, okay? How y'all doing? How y'all So it says around, that gives you a clue that it's all around. Yeah, so, yeah, the inside is area. Around is, perimeter. So it's 2, remember perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. So 2 times, what's the length? 8. And the width? 15. What's 2 times 8? Plus 2 times 13. 26. So now what?
This is half centimeter. The government, why do
We have 26 plus 60. So what's 6 plus 6 kilos? Tuesdays, 1 goes out. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1. So what's my answer? According to what? Good job. Look at the rectangle below. Write an expression that could be used to find the area of the rectangle. So I'm gonna put a 5 and I'm gonna put 6. So what do I do? What's my formula for area? Area. Length. So what is that? 30. But if I don't know my multiplication, what do I do? Hey, yeah, when you could be writing that like drawing that playground in the area. Looking for the area in primary. Okay. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So it's 30.
Yes, bro. I did that.
So, good job, guys.
Guys, what if we do it from there?
Fake, crinkle pop. So it's time to rotate, okay? Get your papers, get a knife, go over that. Get your papers right. We're doing this silently. We're doing over there on that side. On that side. Over there, over here. Acá. Ustedes aquí. Roxana acá. With your papers. Y'all need your papers. Hey, come on. Over here. Y'all need your iPad. And do Excel. Y'all need your iPad. Julio, you need a paper for the rest of the day. So, y'all need to be doing y'all need your iPad and do that Excel. That Excel. Okay. Yeah, an area, one area and a perimeter, okay? Yeah, this one. But wait. Okay? Oh wait, no, this is y'all need to start, please.
Sorry, bro, I didn't know I accidentally wrote a perfect J right there.
Oh, this is independent work. Okay, are we going to play one? Oh, there was a mistake to have all my mistakes here. Come on, do it. Okay. Maxwell is planting a garden. The plot of he's using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell garden meters? Maxwell is planting a garden. The quality of land he's using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell garden in meters? So what's next, Roxana? So underline the question. Ivan, what's next?
I paused it.
You can. Y'all can use your strategies. Thank you for working. I need to see strategies, not only the answers.
Plus 3 again?
Plus 3 is 20. Pero, why would you get on so first then? It's 29 days. 20 meters. You probably thought you could, but like, and then right there, you were like this. Ariana, help me. No, I didn't got up. Wait, no. What are you drawing? Explain. What are you drawing? I don't know. I'm gonna do
So what's the answer? So I don't see no strategies. I just see the answer. Good job. Y'all need to be doing your strategies. We're not. Emiliano, work, please. So number 2, Devin is baking a cake. He plans to decorate the outside edge of the cake with icing, as shown below. What distance around the cake will Devin decorate with icing? So what do I do? Okay, underline the question. Devin, so Daniel, what's next? Okay, so what is it? Round, okay. So what do I do? What's the formula of caramel? Two W plus two L plus 2W, that's parameter. The 2 is first, and then the letter plus 2W. Do we add? But I was what is that? 26. Okay, 2 times, what's the width? So 2 times 8?
60.
So now what?
Add 26 plus.
Okay, plus 6. Square table, are you working?
Yeah.
42. Okay. Okay, I'll switch over. Boys and girls, cougar paw. Okay. Square, go to circle. And y'all come over here. Y'all go over there. And y'all go over there. We're not doing that, Ivani. Okay, where? Si Aaron y yo vaya para allá, si Aaron y yo okay. Come on, wait. It says Maxwell is planting a garden. The plot of land he's using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell's garden in meters? Maxwell is planting a garden. The plot of land he's using for his garden is shown below. What is the perimeter of Maxwell's garden in meters? So what do I do? But that's perimeter. So what is the perimeter of Maxwell's garden in meters? And what else do I circle Esmeralda? Meters. Okay, so now what? So now what is all the sides. So 5 sides. Okay. Circle and cross it out. Work, please. Okay, work with William. Okay. So what's my interval? 21. How? Pencils? Erasers?
Wait, I did it wrong. It's wrong.
Armando, you have to pay attention to I put you 20 cm on the question and 20 because you
Now
are
let's do the playground. Oh, todavía no?
So okay, Devin is baking the cake. He plans to decorate the outside edge of the cake with icing, as shown below. Around the cake will Devin decorate with icing. Devin is making the cake. He plans to decorate. Underline the questions. Circle what? So what is the important information? Destiny. So what's the formula for a parameter? So what? So length. Okay. What's the length? 8. So 2 times 8 with so what's 6 times 13 out of 1? That makes 300, right?
What did you get for We should
To 16. What? To follow directions. Better follow. Sit down, please. Just get a desk. Sit down.
I don't know where it was. Put it here. Thank you, mijo.
Oh, sit down, please. Just get a chair and sit down. Now we're doing, you have 5 minutes to do this. I'm talking Sebastian. And we're doing the exit again by ourselves. There's no talking. You have 5 minutes. Just number 1 is 3. Music. Just that one. You have 5 minutes. And we're not talking, we're working. I want to see strategies. we're not in that one. Alright, now you're done? Gusto namin na ako. We're not in that one. Come on. Color pop. Okay, guys, we already finished with this lesson. Thank you very much. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it and learned about permanent area. Thank you.